Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Drip for e-commerce automation strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the official Drip website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be redirected to a registration page. Here, you will need to provide your email address. Create a secure password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, fill in your first and last name in the appropriate fields. Select your time zone from the drop-down menu provided. Once all fields are filled, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Proceed by clicking the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and locate the message from Drip. Click the verification link included in the email. This will redirect you back to the Drip platform. Now, you may need to complete additional setup options. Provide your business name and website URL as requested. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your subscription plan. Review the features of each plan before making your selection. Once you have chosen a plan, enter your payment details as instructed. Confirm your payment to complete the registration process. After setting up your account, log in using your email and password. You will now have access to the Drip dashboard. Here, you can start exploring automation strategies for your e-commerce business. Familiarize yourself with the interface to maximize your use of the platform. Take advantage of tutorials and resources offered by Drip for additional guidance. You are now ready to implement your e-commerce automation strategy with Drip. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.